XRP Ripple investors, you guys need to watch before investing into XRP. With that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. Today, we're going to be doing a technical analysis and price prediction along with why you need to watch this before investing into XRP. Let's get right into it. Looking at the XRP daily chart, MACD indicator is telling us to buy, but the volume is very low. I don't think it's going to be enough to push the price of XRP to 55 cents. We do have two clear resistance that we need to break through, 55 and 60 cents, before we even talk about XRP breaking new records. With that being said, looking at the daily time frame or weekly time frame, we see right here we have been respecting this ascending line. As long as we keep above this line, we should be in the neutral zone because we're not above 55 cents. But we're not below 45 cents. Just a warning, if XRP decides to break this trend line right here, that means there's a good chance we will see a 30-cent XRP. That's just a warning for XRP Ripple investors. MACD indicator on the weekly is telling us to sell. We have a lot of mixed signals right now going on. Very disappointing. As you guys know, Bitcoin did pump to 28,500. And then within 24 hours, it dropped back down to almost 27,000, to be specific, 27,300. So we are currently neutral on XRP. If we take a look at the Bitcoin price here, yes, we did manage to pump above 28,500. People were FOMOing into it, especially the longs, the bear or the bulls were, FOMOing into the Bitcoin price. They managed to pump it all the way up to 28,500 before climbing back down to 27,000. As you guys can see, we are currently around 27,271. You guys need to be aware, because if Bitcoin decides to break below 27,000, that is a confirmation that we're coming back down to 25,000. This is a fake out. If this does happen, pay attention to 24,758. Because if we break below that, that means we are no longer, following this trend of creating higher lows, meaning the chances of us seeing Bitcoin back down to 20K is likely. And as a result, this will send altcoins dropping another 30 to 40%. And this is why I said XRP can drop all the way back down to 30 cents. As a long-term investor, I'm excited. Why? Because I understand in 1 to 2 years from now, we're going to be in a completely different situation. The SEC, the government, doing everything in their power to steer you guys away from crypto, to scare you, to make you sell, so then they can come in, buy as much as possible. We understand they're not banning cryptocurrency. Instead, they're going to come in, buy as much to control as much as possible before giving it out to the people. Wake up, America. Now, let's take a look at the two biggest indicators. First one being the S&P 500. Very bad sign for the crypto markets. As you guys can see, we are seeing a red candle on the weekly time frame. More downside. As for the DXY, more upside. Very, very dangerous for the crypto market. The DXY is getting stronger. As the DXY gets stronger, the crypto market gets weaker. Wake up, people. We have a lot of signals. We have more signals telling us to sell. DXY is getting stronger. S&P 500 is correcting. Bitcoin is coming back down to possibly 27K, meaning XRP. Pay attention to this resistance or support level of 45 cents, because if we break below this, we're coming back down to 30 cents. Prepare right now, guys. Make sure you have money on the side waiting to enter these assets at a very cheap price. With that being said, my price prediction for this upcoming week is going to be between 45 and 55 cents. Once again, it's going to be very, very, very boring. Take a look right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For the last 7 weeks, we have been stuck between 55 and 45 cents. This is the time to dollar cost average. With that being said, why am I telling you guys to watch before investing? Well, as you guys know, we had a very disappointing 2023 for XRP. We did win the lawsuit. We expected the price of XRP to skyrocket to new all-time highs. Well, we did the opposite. We actually did manage to pump to what, 94 cents? As you guys can see right here, 94 cents. But since then, we have dropped all the way back down to as low as 42 cents. Currently, it's around 51 cents. Why is the price of XRP down? As I said, the government and the SEC is doing everything in their power to steer you guys away from crypto. Any crypto or any company involved with crypto, the SEC is going after them. What is this doing to XRP and Ripple? Well, a lot of companies are afraid to announce partnerships with XRP and Ripple because if they do, the SEC is going to do a thorough investigation on them and they're going to try and find some dirt on them. As a result, this is scaring a lot of companies away. But remember, guys, we're going to have to be patient. We're going to have to wait for crypto regulation. Once crypto regulation is in America, I predict by the end of 2023, early 2024, well, it's going to be a green light for these institutions to start announcing partnerships, start working with cryptocurrencies, because now they have a clear framework, they have clear rules, and they don't have to worry about the SEC going after them. Do you guys understand that? That's why I'm telling you guys, please watch before investing, because right now it looks very negative. It doesn't look very good in the future, but I'm telling you, long term, super, super bullish. Short term, we have a threat of a recession. We have a threat of a war. More interest rate hikes may be coming. We have the presidential election. They're going after Trump right now. So a lot of stuff is happening. It looks like America is being attacked on all cylinders. You need to stay strong. You need to stay disciplined. Understand this is a cycle. Nothing new has changed. We are repeating history. They are trying to scare you guys away. Why? Because they don't want you to enter these assets. They want to control as much as possible. Soon we're going to have CBDCs in America. America will be the last by 2030. They're going to transfer the current money they have into the new system, which is CBDCs, crypto, blockchain technology. Right? The system that we're currently in right now is outdated. Way outdated. So America needs to wake up. You need to prepare. You need to watch this before investing, because they're going to do everything in their power to scare you guys away. The majority of you guys will panic sell, and that's the biggest mistake you will make. So stay disciplined. This is why I'm telling you, before you invest, make sure to watch this video, because understand they're going to be coming after you on all cylinders. There's going to be a lot of FOMO. There's going to be a lot of FUD. It's going to make you guys confused, and you guys are going to start to doubt yourself, and then you're going to end up selling, and you're going to regret your decision in a couple years, because the bull run is around the corner. Bitcoin halving 2024, April. We also have a spot Bitcoin ETF, which is going to be approved sometime in 2024, maybe 2023 if we're lucky. And last but not least, crypto regulation. Do you understand that the SBF and the IMF did say banning crypto is not a good idea? G20 talked about what? Creating a global framework around cryptocurrency. So when people say crypto is a scam, it's going to zero, they have no idea. Crypto's not going anywhere. So wake up, XRP Ripple investors. Prepare for a roller coaster. You need to stay disciplined. That's why when you do invest in XRP/Ripple, please understand, do not look at the short term. Look at the long term. We may see some negatives for the next year or so, but the next couple years, that's when we're going to start seeing the profits, seeing the greens. So yes, we have a threat of a recession. We have a threat of a war. U.S. economies are struggling. The average American is also struggling. Right? We are $10,170 in credit card debt. The average American. Interest rates, very high. Inflation, still pretty high. Their goal is to bring inflation back down to 2%. In order to bring inflation back down to 2%, they need unemployment to start rising. So expect unemployment to start rising in November, December, January. This is why I tell you guys, prepare right now. Make sure you watch before investing into XRP. This is DC Trading. Hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction if you made it this far. Comment the number 100. Peace.